Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to unleash your creativity and dive into the world of drawing on your Android device? Today, we'll be exploring 3 incredible drawing apps that offer unique features and experiences for artists of all levels. Whether you're into anime, want to try augmented reality drawing, or just looking for some fun creative outlets, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Draw Anime AR Sketch. Draw Anime AR Sketch is a fun and innovative app that combines augmented reality AR with drawing. Designed specifically for anime enthusiasts, this app allows users to sketch anime characters in a 3D environment using their device's camera. The AR feature overlays a virtual sketching canvas onto the real world, making it super engaging and interactive. Users can choose from various anime-style templates and guides that help them create accurate proportions and styles. Additionally, the app offers tools for coloring, shading, and adding details, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced artists looking to enhance their skills in anime drawing. AR Drawing. AR Drawing takes the user experience of drawing to another level by utilizing augmented reality technology. This app allows you to draw in real time on a projected 3D canvas in your surroundings. It offers a bunch of drawing tools and options, such as different brushes, colors, and effects, making your digital drawings come to life. Users can create intricate designs and illustrations, and the AR feature enables them to visualize their work within their physical space, providing a unique perspective on the artwork. This app is ideal for artists who want to explore new creative boundaries and experiment with 3D drawing in an interactive way. FunDraw. FunDraw is a user-friendly drawing app that focuses on making the drawing experience enjoyable and accessible for users of all ages. This app provides a simple interface packed with various drawing tools, such as brushes, colors, and shapes, allowing users to express their creativity easily. FunDraw features interactive games and challenges, making it perfect for kids and beginners who are just starting to learn how to draw. The app encourages playful exploration and imaginative creations with features like stickers and fun effects. Whether you want to doodle, create illustrations, or engage in fun drawing games, FunDraw offers the tools you need to unleash your creativity. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this insight into the best drawing apps inspires you to pick up your device and start creating amazing artwork. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more app reviews and creativity tips. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know down below. Until next time, happy drawing!